In this tutorial, we will cover Elastic Beanstalk. Go to AWS Elastic Beanstalk and create an application. In here, you can name your application. I'll name mine Web App 99-dev. Come down here and choose a platform. I'll choose Node.js. And if you come down to the application code, you can upload the code in here. Let's upload a local file, but before that, you need to come to this page and download the Node.js sample. Then we'll come back here and choose file and pick the sample that we just downloaded and create an application. This step will take several minutes, so I'll pause the video here and come back when it's done. Now that it's done, we can see here that we have a check on the health and it says OK. If we go to the applications, we will find the application in here, Web App 99-dev, and it created an environment for us. If we go to the environment, we can click this link and you will find the web app that we uploaded. Now what we want to do is create a second environment for the same application. So we'll go to applications and select this application and create a new environment. And in here we'll do the exact same thing. I'll change this thing to POC. And keep everything as is. In the platform, we'll choose Node.js and we will upload the code. We will use the same code that we did before, but first we'll make some changes. So extract the files in here, open this folder, go to the index, right click and open with any editor. In here, let's make some changes. Let's change the background color. And let's change this line. I'll type something like coding dojo. Save the file. Now select everything in here and zip it. Let's name this one Web App 99-POC. Let's upload this file in here. And click create an environment. This step will take several minutes, so I'll pause the video here and come back when it's done. Now that we're done with the second environment, if we come to the applications, we will see that this application that we made, the Web App 99, has two environments. The first one is dev and the second one is POC. If we click the first one and go to the link, we will see this screen page and it says here congratulations. But if we close this one and go to the second environment, we should see a different page. This is the second page. It says here coding dojo and the background is bluish. Now what we want to do is swap the first one with the second one. So if we go to applications and click the first one, you can go to actions and swap environment URLs. Down here, environment name, We'll choose the second environment and swap. In a few seconds, we can see that this page, the one that says div, will have the same page as the POC. As you can see here, it's blue. If we close these and go to the second one, which is the POC, we can see that we have the same page in both of the environments. And this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one.